Hey everyone, my name is Marcella. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you one of the easiest ways to get your hands on products and brochures for your Avon business at a really great value. And these are Avon's new ambassador bundles. I really like to think of these as starter kits if you are a new ambassador, but they aren't only for brand new ambassadors. Really, they can be helpful even if you've been with Avon for a while and you want to restart your business. Maybe you want to refresh your product collection or simply try several new products without purchasing everything individually. So let's talk about it. Why might you actually want these bundles? Well, first, you can try the products for yourself. I always tell my ambassadors, how are you going to recommend products, talk about products if you've never tried the products? Obviously it's nice that you can always refer to other ambassadors, other customers and their testimonials, but you also want to be able to genuinely speak on experience. You can also use the products to create content. So do things like share photos, create videos, all for social media content. Great to demonstrate the products for customers. So, if you're going in person, talking to people, actually bring the products, have the customer look at the packaging, feel the product. That always works great, actually demoing the products for your customers. A lot of people like them because they can build gift baskets or themed bundles. So a lot of people will do this once the holidays come around, maybe for Mother's Day, Father's Day. You can really create really special bundles with these. And of course, you can keep a few popular items on hand for immediate sales and reintroduce yourself and your Avon business to past customers. So those are just a couple of ideas on what you can do with these products. And keep in mind that each of these bundles, whichever one you choose, will come with a packet of brochures. So if you are somebody who really wants to have those physical brochures because you want to share those with customers, that's always a nice thing, is you're going to get a pack of 10 within that bundle. So you can go ahead and start sharing your business immediately face to face. Now let's head on over to avon.com where I can show you how you can find these bundles and purchase them. Alrighty, so the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your avon.com account. And let's first show you I'm going to show you two different ways just in case if Avon changes how to find these bundles. The first thing you're going to do is head on over to the top right where you see the magnifying glass, and you are going to type in ambassador. Doing that should automatically pull up the two bundles. So you'll see there's a $150 bundle and a $100 ambassador bundle. Go ahead and click where it says results by product. And here you'll see the two different options for bundles. So go ahead and click that and you will get more details. That's the first way. The second way is if you head on over to where it says manage business, and then under Seller Central, you will see where it says Incentives Hub. That is going to bring you to this page. And within there, you should see a section where it says New Ambassador Bundles. So you see here, it does have campaigns and dates for when this bundle is available. So it looks like after September 22nd of 2026, there will be brand new bundles available. Something to keep in mind. Like I said, literally anybody can take advantage of this. You don't only have to be a new ambassador. So even myself, I've been with Avon for about 8 years. If I really wanted to get my hands on these bundles, because listen, these are at a really great price, even with an ambassador discount. And if you purchase each of these products individually, you will be paying more than what these bundles, what you can get them for as within these new ambassador bundles. So go ahead and click where it says get details, and you will see more info on these bundles. You see there's a $100 ambassador bundle and another one that's for $150. Keep in mind that this price that you see here, you will not get a discount on top of that price because it's already heavily discounted. For example, let's take a look at the $150 bundle. you will see that it has a value of $643. So yeah, you're getting a ton of products. And then if you come down here to the description, you will be able to read exactly what is within these bundles, and you're actually able to purchase up to 2 of these bundles. So if you really enjoy these products, maybe you want one for yourself and then you want to sell the other, another bundle, you can do that. You can always, and when I say sell, I don't mean sell the entire bundle for $150 to a customer, but I'm talking about like individually selling each product or creating like little bundles within the big bundle. You know what I mean? So I am going to show you here. I have a little flyer that I've created that I've shared. I create this for my team, which by the way, if you are not an Avon ambassador and you're looking to become an Avon ambassador, I would love to have you on my team. You can actually go ahead and sign up down below to become an Avon ambassador. But here I kind of show you the 2 different options for bundles. For example, this bundle number 1 provides 21 products and then also again that 10-pack of brochures. Bundle number 2 is the 12 products and then with a 10-pack of brochures. So you see the difference there. But that's how simple it is to purchase these bundles. So once, like let's say for example, you want to get this one for $150, you'll just add it to your order. And then you will see it if you come to the top right where is that little shopping cart. You are going to scroll down to where it says order for myself, and then you will eventually see the bundle. There it is, $150 new ambassador bundle. And that's already added to your cart. And then you'll go ahead and check out down here and pay and send that order off. All right. What else did I want to tell you while I have you here? Yeah, I think that's about it. And if you have any other questions, please let me know down below. Again, if you want to join Avon, I'd love to have you on my team. You can head on over to discoverbeautynow.com, or you can go to the link down below. I've provided links down below where you can go ahead and sign up, and I will work with you and have you on my team. But yeah, again, my name is Marcella. I'm an Avon ambassador. I have a ton more training videos like this one on my YouTube channel. So if you would love to learn more about how you can become a successful Avon ambassador, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm constantly coming out with new videos, whether it's videos like this or even product related videos, which I always enjoy making. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.